Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add your RedotPay virtual card to Apple Wallet step by step so that you can make the secure payments using your iPhone and Apple Watch anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. So first of all, you can open your RedotPay application. You just have to sign in and make sure that your virtual card is activated. You should see your card number, its expiry date, and the CVV ready to use. After that, most of the RedotPay cards include Add to Apple Wallet button right inside the application. So if you see that, you just have to tap on that, then follow the prompts, and Apple Wallet will be automatically detected and verify your card details. You can also open your Apple Wallet application. Here you will see the option of this plus icon. So simply click on it. After that, simply select the option of debit or credit card. Then you just have to scan your card and you can also click on the option of continue here in the bottom. After that, you just have to enter the details manually and follow further prompts in order to successfully add the Red.Pay card here on your Apple Wallet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.